Hello once again, I'm meteorologist Sam Reichard with DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com, your DeSoto Day Planner, brought to you by Pounders Repair. You can find them at 345 East Commerce Street in Hernando. They specialize in diesel repair and performance. It's going to be a breezy day today. Winds from the south, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunny skies, though, all day with no chance of rain. At 8 a.m., probably 51 degrees, 63 at 11 a.m., 69 at 2 p.m., and by the time the sun sets, 64 degrees. I'm Sam Reichard. Have a great day.